Here we have a 2019 BMW 330e M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £3,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website, but they include the M Sport Plus package. We have the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all of them in excellent condition, with the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the mineral white metallic paintwork, the M Performance Kit, which includes the gloss black front splitter. We have the gloss black front kinder grills. There's a look at the front end. We have the LED headlights. Round to the passenger side, you find we have the second alloy wheel just down here, again with the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the gloss black side skirt extensions, the colour coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Shark fin antennae up top. We also have the rear spoiler lip as well just there. We have front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. And round to the rear, you find we have the dual exit exhaust. We also have the rear diffuser. If you press this button just here on the remote, then the boot will open like so. And inside of here, you find that we have a decent amount of space for whatever you may need. Storage net on the left hand side as well. If you close that back up and then walk around to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look at the interior, coming into the back first, you find we have the full leather interior. We have the foldable armrests in the centre, the fixed ISO points as well. We have the M Sport style seat belts just there. As a look at the interior, you can see maybe we have the ambient lighting just there where it is in darkness. We have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, the electric windows and the brushed metal door handles. Taking a look at the front, we've got the same full leather interior. Both the front seats are heated and there is a look at them. Again, on the doors, we have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, electric windows which are locked for the rear. We have the electric mirrors just there, the auto lights and also the auto wipers. A multifunctional steering wheel which has the paddle shifters on either side. We also have the cruise control and the speed limiter just there. Put our foot on the brake, press the start button, then the vehicle will start up for us. And you'll find on the digital dashboard that will be free from any warning lights. So we also have the main infotainment screen in the centre. On here you find that we have the sat nav which is currently loading. We have all the shortcuts just down here. So if you click onto the media, then the media will pop up just there. You find that we have the DAB radio. We also have the Bluetooth audio and other options as well which you can scroll through. The phone connectivity just there. We also have a range of apps. So if you go into the apps, you find we have all these apps which are currently installed. We have the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. We also have the main screen just here. So if you click onto the car, go into the settings, this is where you find that we have the interior ambient lighting. As you can see, we have a few colours which you can flick through. Click onto blue and the colours will change to blue, if you can just about see underneath there as well. Click this button, you find that we have the intelligent safety, which makes the vehicle a very safe car to drive. We have the different drive modes such as the adaptive, we have electric, hybrid and also the sport drive mode just there. Let's keep it in hybrid though. Putting the car into reverse, you find we have the reversing camera along with the front and rear parking sensors. Put it back into park, moving further down. We have the vents with the climate control. We also have the ice cold air conditioning just there, the heated seat buttons on either side, all working just as it should do. Further down you find we have some storage space inside of here. We have the cup holders and a 12-volt connectivity. Again, we have the different drive mode buttons, the electric handbrake just there. We also have a nice leather armrest which can be opened up for more storage. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you would like to find out more, then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.